just a quick video everyone, just letting you know how far I've got. So I've taken that sticker off, cleaned up all the residue and the glue. So new sticker's going on there, and that turns up, hopefully that's going to be in this week. So Sunday that'll be going back on, and obviously my YouTube channel there. So if you haven't already subscribed, go on there, give that a subscription. That would mean the world to me. It means I can put out more content for you then. That's my Instagram handle if you want to follow me on Instagram too. Do all the glass clean the near side of the car, because obviously that was over that end, so couldn't get to it, so that's all been done. Oh, I'll show you what I'm using as well. Right, I'm using Pure Definition Gloss Wash Waterless, which is brilliant, as you can see. It comes with 2 bottles, 500ml bottles, and it comes with a microfiber cloth as well. You literally spray it on, wipe it, and then buff it off before it dries. And as you can see, Lucy is looking very, very shiny. So it's ideal. You can use it at shows as well. Once you get up there, just give it a quick once over. Say it's going to a car wash with all the nasty brushes scratching the paintwork. Obviously these here were put on a lot better. We took them back off again because they were lifting. So we've got some Gorilla Tape, and they're sticking lovely now. And all I've got to do on my holiday is just refurbish all these wheels. These are going the original silver, which I've got at home, so I'll do videos on those. Obviously while I'm on my holiday, which is from Sunday for 2 weeks. And then put the seats back in there, back in the car. I've got some overmats as well, so they're going back in. And then she's ready for the show, Plymouth Motor Show on the 15th, which obviously I'm going to be doing a video of, and some pictures as well. So hope you look forward to that, because I am, because it's the first time I've taken Lucy out on a proper run or a show for 5 years. So I don't know who's more excited, me or Lucy. But yeah, that's the end of the video. It's just a quick update for you all. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Follow me on TikTok and also on Instagram, which is, oops, got the sun, that one there. On YouTube, that one there. Oh, hang on. A bit better for you. There you go. Follow me on there if you haven't already. Alright, so catch you soon in the next video. Cheers guys, bye.